Hello investors, good early morning from Chicago, the risk management capital of the world. This is the Morning Stir Market and Resource Rundown for Monday, November 19th. The E-mini S&P made new relative lows at 1340 with a higher close Friday to possibly form a long-awaited bottom base. The broad market index closed at the daily highs of the session at 1360, up 0.6%. Resistance above sits at the 1385 highs from last Tuesday. Dow futures finished up 48 points at 12,570, more than 130 points off the 12,430 new lows. Blue chips lost 1.75% on the week, down 225 points. Highs for the week at 12,850 are resistance, with the Friday lows at 12,430 the support. Tech shares also bounced back from heavy losses to finish up 11 points at 25.33. Resistance sits at the 25.85 highs of the week and support at the 24.90 extreme lows posted on Friday. Crude oil added to the technical reversal gains of a week ago with a strong $1.20 run on Friday to close at $86.92. Resistance above sits at $88 from the highs last November 6, with base support over the last month or so at $84. After sub-127 prices last week, the lowest in a month, the euro currency closed positive on the week to finish at 127.30, down 47 points on the day. 128 from Thursday, then 129 from October act as upside resistance. The dollar hit 81.50 with the 30-year bonds above 152 to both post new two-month highs on Friday. Gold added $1 Friday to $17.15 an ounce, down $15 on the week. $17.20 was a support most of the week, which will now be resistance on the upside, and $17.05 and $1700 below are the levels to watch. Silver lost 30 cents at $32.37 an ounce on Friday. With stock reversals on Friday that could be the beginning of a technical base, where do the markets stand on this Monday morning to start the day and a fresh week? The euro is up 50 points to 127.80 this morning to push the dollar back down to the 81 level, down 0.3%. December bonds are 23 ticks lower at 151.5, with the yield on the 30-year at the 275 level after being below it most of last week. Crude oil is above 88, up 110 per barrel. Further dollar downturn could assist oil on a test of the recent failed highs at $89 per barrel last week. Gold has rebounded $9 to $17.24 overnight, with the $1700 pivot below and the $1740 resistance above. Silver is up 33 cents at $32.70 an ounce, with the month highs at $33 above. So as we get started on this Monday morning, the E-mini S&P is strong, up 9 at 1369. Dow futures are up 65 points, and the Nasdaq futures are 17 points higher, with more than an hour to go before the stock market open. So to wrap up the current action on this Monday morning, the euro currency is up 50 points and the dollar down to 81 after two-month highs last week. Crude oil is up $1.10 at $88, and gold is $9 higher at $17.24. Stock futures are more than 0.5% higher, with the E-mini S&P up 9 at 1369. Dow futures at the CME Group are 65 points higher at 12,635. Please visit our sponsors at morningmarketstir.com for more information on commodities, futures, and options. I'll see you early Tuesday morning for the stir in the markets to set up your trading day. From the CME Group trading floor, it all comes back to commodities.